How can I resend a family sharing invitation that has not been accepted yet?
Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss a very handy feature of Apple's family sharing: how to resend an invitation that has not been accepted yet. This can often come up when a family member misses the initial invitation or if there was some kind of technical issue preventing the acceptance of your invite.
What is family sharing?
Before we get into the steps, let's briefly cover what family sharing is. Family sharing allows you to share App Store purchases, Apple subscriptions, an iCloud storage plan, and more with up to 5 other people in your family. This is a great way to share resources and keep everyone in the loop.
How to check family sharing invitation status?
So let's jump into it. The first thing we need to do is to check the status of the invitation. 1. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Click on your Apple ID at the top. 4. Choose Family Sharing. 5. There you will see the list of your family members and the status of their invitations. If the status is invited, it means they haven't accepted the invitation yet.
How to resend a family sharing invitation?
Now, let's say you've sent an invite but it hasn't been accepted yet. No worries, you can easily resend it. Here are the steps. 1. On your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. 2. Go to Settings. 3. Click on your Apple ID at the top. 4. Choose Family Sharing. 5. Tap on the name of the person who has not accepted the invitation yet. 6. You will see a Resend Invitation option. Tap on it to send the invitation again. Remember, the person invited will get an email or a push notification of the invite, so tell them to check their inbox or their Apple device for the new invitation. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to resend a family sharing invitation on your Apple devices. This way you can make sure all your family members are included in the benefits that family sharing provides. Remember, sharing is caring. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.